friends, good morning. This is like really early in the morning here in the UK. You can see what I'm wearing. I've just come from my early morning jog, and usually I get ready for my children to go to school. So what do we normally do? I give them a beautiful meal. Remember what we represent here. It's about the Nutri-Life. Nutri-Life is all about the nutrients that you put into your body. Nutri-Life is part of our business called part of Joy Fido International, and the focus here is to help people put the right food into their body. What is the right food? Nutrients, nutrients, nutrients. That's what we believe in. So this morning I'm going to show you some of the things I give to my children before they go to school. It's all about the nutrients. Okay, so my name is Joy Fido and welcome on board. Okay, so give you a clear view of what we're doing. What we're doing today is just what they call the smoothie. And smoothie is all about putting fruits, sometimes vegetables, put them together, mix them, and you create a beautiful, wonderful meal that's packed full with nutrients. So what we're going to be using for this smoothie, it's all the things I've got on the table, which I'm going to tell them to you. But I start with the blender or the smoothie maker. We've shown you before another video where we actually brought the smoothie maker. My understanding about them is just something that smoothes the food or liquidizes it or breaks it down. So I don't make a big deal about what I use. I just go with the basic blender. If you want it to be a lot more smoothier, then you can go for the smoothie maker, which I don't really have a need for right now. So a basic blender is going to be what I'm going to use. And then the next thing is the fruits. So in this case I have banana, I have strawberries, which I've opened some and some are still in the pack. Then I have here blackberries, I have pineapple, which I've peeled already, because pineapple does take time to peel, so I just peeled that and prepared it already. And then I have avocado, which I'm ready to peel right now. And then in addition I got mango. You know what they say about 5 a day? This is more than 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have here 6. And what this just shows you how easily you can give your children the right nutrients all the time without having a big fuss about it. Trust me, I'm a mother and I know how hard it is to make children eat fruits and vegetables most times. Fruits they can handle because they're sweet, but vegetables is a fight. And so what you could do with vegetable as well is to mix them up. But in this particular instance, I'm working with just fruits, especially for my son because he just doesn't like anything that's bland. So I try to give him as much natural sweet as possible. It's better than going for the artificial sweets and sugars and all of that. Fruits have fructose in them. Now we don't overdo fruits because again it leads to too much sugar in the system, but as long as there are other things in those fruits which is from nature, they do a great job in the body. The next big thing that comes with what I'm going to do is milk. And this is how milk is packaged here for us. They come in different sizes. Now, if you're way back home in Africa, which I've done when I'm back home, I create my own milk. How do I do that? I use coconuts or I use the tiger nut seed. So with that milk, I can still make my smoothie. So but here in the UK, I don't really need that. I have milk ready-made and I work with that, especially for children. I won't be using milk if it's just me getting smoothie for myself. So let's get on with it now. Okay, so in this lovely dish, I've already got there some strawberries and blackberries, all there, prepared, washed. Then I've washed this mango and I'm going to just peel it into smaller pieces and add there. What I could have done is also put that straight into the blender, but I just enjoy the mixture that this gives me. So you just dice them into smaller bits, again, just so it's easy for the blender to break it down. Don't forget, mango has a seed down there, so you want to really cut this before you're able to put it in the blender. I know the next question will be, are you adding the skin on it? Yes, I just add skin to my mango. I don't peel out the skin. Again, there are always nutrients. When it comes to nature, nutrients is everywhere. And remember what I always say is about the nutrients, not about the food. Lots of people just eat. They don't think about what is bringing into their body. So that's that. And then I just want to show you how I prepare the strawberries. So I cut off the green part, which is where the leaves are, and then I just slice them, green part off, and slice them. You probably ask me, what if I don't have strawberries? What if I don't have blackberries? What if I don't have mangoes? Now, everything that comes in form of fruits, they have their season. So I work with seasonal fruits. That's the main thing. Don't go stressing yourself because you did not have one thing and you say, I can't have smoothies. So the season does not matter. It's what's available you work with. And that's that. So let me add the avocado. Now, unfortunately for us here in the UK, it's sometimes so hard to get the really good avocado, because remember, all these fruits are coming all the way from Africa, some of them. And so for the tropical fruits, it might be a nightmare. That's how I like to cut them. I just slice them into little bits like that. This is a really ripe one. Oh, doesn't need any cutting. Okay, so always remember to wash your hands whenever you're dealing with food. So I've just got this bowl, put water in it, and I'm ready to keep washing my hand whenever I touch anything that needs to be cleaned out. So get everything ready. Okay, so banana, just peel it. And then you also cut it there just like the rest of them. We've got all our ingredients in here now. And I'm now going to put all of them in the blender ready for blending. Out and everything goes in. So all the ingredients in, then you add your milk. So milk becomes the water. You gauge it. Depending on how thick or how light you want it to be, you will decide how much liquid you put in it. Once that's done, you cover it. And it's time to blend away. Look of the blending. So now you can keep blending until it gets as smooth as you want it to be. Okay, so now we're going to be as quick as possible because the young kids are getting late for school. These are my young too, and you've seen them quite a lot often. That's Garen here and that's Mega. They're ready for school. So I'm going to get there. So again, how you serve this does not really matter. I put it in a glass so that you can visibly see what's in there. And That's yours, Mega. Now, Garen prefers to drink it straight on, and Mega is using a spoon. Now, on a regular day, I use their bowl. This is their beautiful breakfast bowl. And I just pour it in, and they take their time and drink it with a spoon. Just like you would have custard or oats or anything like that. That's exactly what's happening here. But you can see what's gone in there. It's all these beautiful, nutritious fruits. And they've just had it straight on, and it goes straight into the bloodstream and does what it needs to do. So let's hear from the children what they think about it. What do you think?
I think it's actually really nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Would you recommend it to other kids?
Definitely.
Yes. What do you think, Mega?
Good.
Wow. Do you feel full when you've had this?
Yeah, it's really thick, like filling. You know?
So now you've had it, and that's what this is. It's about encouraging all of us to eat healthy, put nutrients into our body, and be ready to face the day as it comes. So I hope to see you in the next video when we do more healthy stuff. This is NutriLife, and this is Joy Fido. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.
He says you should like it, share it, subscribe, please do. We love hearing from you all the time. Thank you. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tiger Family Life, everybody. Football season is about to start, and I've been working out in the morning, evening, and at nighttime. Today, after my morning workout, I'm going to show you how to make my tiger smoothie. Come with me, and we're gonna make tiger smoothie. Let's go. Alright guys, these are the ingredients: banana, carrot, apple, purple grape, green grape, some Greek yogurt, non-fat, red strawberry, and purple grape. Guys, we got all the fruits in the smoothie, and now we are going to watch it turn into tiger smoothie. Let's go.
Okay, so one thing about this is you need the proper blender because you have lots of different fruits and ice and carrot and yogurt, and if you don't have the proper blender, it won't mix well. So let's get started. Haha. So you start with low and then...
You're going to start with high.
No, start with low and then kind of crush everything.
Oh yeah. Nice. So good, so healthy. Oh, feel so energized. I'm ready for football. Tiger smoothie. I can make it, you can make it. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and please share. And always believe in yourself, and you can do anything with God. Peace out. Yeah, that's good.